Today we'll talk about how can you get free tickets on your iPhone on your Tappytoon app. We're going to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do in first, you just go down, click here on more down here. So then it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this here. Then you click here on free tickets. You just click on it. So then it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this. Then here can you get your tickets here. So just click here on get, then automatically here it's going to get with you on your Tappytoon app. So that's all you have to do. That's all. I wish know you agree. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe. So thank you for your watching.